Hey guys, so sorry if you hear my toddler in the background, but you know, mom life. So after showing you guys the cosmic collection from Mani Moguls, I thought I'd show you me using all of the colors. I managed to fit all the colors in this one go. I just did one Mani on the left hand, one Mani, a different one on the right. So for the left hand, on my thumb, index, and pinky, I'm applying Astro World, which this is again like a magenta with a purple shimmer in it, and the purple shimmer is so hard to capture on camera, you guys, but in real life you see it every time you turn this color. Those little shimmers pop up and it's so pretty. So on the middle finger for the left hand, I'm going to apply Love You to the Moon. Those big magenta pieces look really great next to Astro World. I somehow managed to not get very many moons in my dip, but it's okay, it's still gorgeous. And then on the index I put Starlight, Star Bright, and I only did, I think, 2 dips of each color, and then I clear capped. So I use Revel's Vivian to clear cap everything, and if you guys haven't noticed, these are my real nails. I just put a layer of clear down before I add the color. But yeah, these are my real nails, no tips added with these. So now for the right hand, on the thumb, index, and pinky, I start off adding, I can't remember if it was 2 or 3 layers of extraterrestrial, which I've dubbed ET for short. On the middle finger, I'm going to put Starship. And on the ring finger, I'm going to put Naughty Martian. But then I go back with Starship and sprinkle it over all of the ET colors, just because my left hand is so sparkly that I wanted to make sure that my right hand matched in the Glitter Perfectionist. But Starship ombre, like glitter ombre over ET, is so stunning. And you guys, this Naughty Martian, the reflection of it in the different lighting out in the real world, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It pulls off like this minty green, and then there's turquoise. It's just absolutely beautiful, and it just is so, it just reminds me of an alien princess. guys, by the time you see this video, this collection is up and available on the Mani Moguls website. Don't forget to check out the description box below if you've never purchased from Mani Moguls, because I can save you 10% off your first purchase. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to look up Mani Moguls on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube so you can keep up with all her new collections. September 1st, she's going to be coming out with an autumn collection, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye.